Casey with Inkwell Transfers. Today I'm talking to you about can koozies. Can koozies are a hot item. People use them for weddings, celebrations, summertime, promotional items, maybe at local fairs or job like opportunities for others. Maybe you just need a promotional piece to get your business name out there. So can koozies are something that's pretty simple to make and they're inexpensive. Now we sell transfers here that look like this. We have lots of different koozie transfers that you can choose from. They're just pocket prints. And then we also allow you to make custom ones. For a custom koozie transfer or pocket transfer, you're looking for around a 3.5 by a 3.5 inch transfer. Now usually with a 22 by 12, you can get around 16 to 18 of those on our sheet, our custom sheet. So that's how that works. And once you're in the tool, all you do is submit your image and then duplicate, duplicate, duplicate until you have enough. Some people like to mark it up in Canva or Photoshop as a 22 by 12 and you save it and upload it and then we print it. If you're just looking for printing on your own, that's fine. You could do the same thing with sublimation if you make your own sublimation or if you make your and cut your own vinyl. So you're looking for around a 3.5 by 3.5 fit to go on here perfectly. All right, so we're gonna give this a try. And so here's what the front of the koozie already looks like because I pressed it earlier. You can see it's really nice. It shows up well. So we're gonna use the back side of it. I'm just using a heat press nation. If I can get this to focus. Heat Press Nation is the name of the press that I'm using. I have it set at 395 for 20 seconds. I'm not sure why it won't autofocus, but it's just not. There you go. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to line up my transfer on here where I want it, and then I'm just going to press it down and wait for the time. So once it's done, it's going to stick up there. Sometimes it does that. I'm going to move it off the press and let it cool off for a minute before I pill it. All right, so now I've let it cool off with the magic of video, and now I'm just going to pill it. And there you go. A nice koozie. You can put your drink in it. Again, perfect for lots of celebrations and gifts. Also, if you do like summer, like fairs, craft shows, these are really good sellers.